guys, today we're gonna explore one of Bangkok's oldest neighborhood. It is full of history, good old cafes, restaurants and street art.
And we're gonna buy around this area and see what it has to offer. Talad Noi,
Here we come!
Talat Noi is located in the south of the exciting Chinatown. Talat is market, Noi is small, so it means small market. Even though they call it market, but there's no actual market. It is, in fact, a small neighborhood that has recently become popular among the tourists because of its unique Chinese architectures, some street food along the way, and colorful graffitis. It is peaceful, but at the same time so vibrant because of the mixture of cultures that happen in this area. This neighborhood, guys, is one of the original Chinese settlements over 200 years ago. So, we hope you guys enjoy our today's episode at Talad Noi.
Alright, and we are inside here. This is a cafe and also a hostel called Talat Noi, right? Which means Talat Noi in Chinese. We're not gonna stay here overnight. We're just gonna rent a bicycle here, which costs 40 baht per hour. And we're gonna explore Talat Noi area. Let's go! Are you ready?
yay! More than ready! Go, go, go!
She's always ready.
What? What happened back there?
Alright, so here we are at the a small alleyways. Beautiful, colorful graffitis. Let's take some photos.
Talad Noi.
So Talat is market
It's a
and Noi is small.
Small, yeah.
Small market. Alright guys, here we are at Mother Rooster Cafe. It's pretty hot today, so I think we're gonna stop here at the cafe and see what it has to offer.
มึงอันนี้จริงปะเนี่ย
ใช่
อ๋อทางนี้
Wow, it's like an old garage. Hello, Mr. Cow.
เฮ้ย4 5 6หูมึง
What?
เยอะมากดูดิหนึ่ง
Hi. Oh my God, there are too many of you, and one in the toilets. This cafe located right in the middle of Talat Noi. It is called Mother Rooster, but I think we call it Cat Cafe. There's so many cats! Oh my god! If you don't know about this cafe, you wouldn't walk in here.
จริง
Judging by the garage. Seriously, it's like very old garage, guys. But once you walk in here, you see these cute cats everywhere and people playing. And they have AC inside, but there were too many people and I think we don't have enough light for you guys to see. That's why we're sitting outside. It's quite hot, but it's alright. We have So many companies out here. We wish we can dance. That's why we are YouTubers, because we cannot dance. Stop. Guys, as you can see by many of the architectures in this area is very Chinese, and that's right. This is a small Chinese community. As I told you earlier, it is located to the south of the exciting Chinatown. This mansion is one of the example of a very famous Chinese family, and you can see a pool here. Alright, it is now a scuba diving school. They also have a cafe upstairs, so let's go check it out.
This is your information of the house, okay? Most of the information you can read on the internet, whatever, is all fault. Okay, the house is probably over 20-40 years old. Is starting at King Ronald the First. But most history said it's King Ronald the Third. Okay, these are all wrong.
Oh, this is your house?
This is my house. I'm the 8th generation.
The 8th? What?
The importance of the house is owned by one owner, one family, never been changed hands. That's why it's so popular and very, you know.
And you live here?
Yeah, still.
Oh, right. And you turn it to a cafe and also
We're
scuba
not
diving.
turning it to the cafe. It's a diving school.
It's a diving school.
And what happened is the cafe started because of
People
social
come-
media. Knock on the door, want to see the house, and complaining about like nobody looking after the house. And that means we have to give it a lot more attention.
Thank you for the real,
You're welcome.
the true history. ขอบคุณค่ะ So guys, this mansion is 240 years old.
Older than me.
Of course. Alright, so let's go check upstairs. Drink, madam. Yes, thank you. Wow. Wow. This is orange, yuzu, and passion.
Passion fruit.
Cheers. Sweet. I like my one better.
I like mine too.
There are some rules. You have to order one drink for each person in order to come and chill out up here. And it's worth it. It's so old. It's such a good place for you to come and chill out, read some book, and like observe this good old historic environment. Alright guys, for only 1 to 2 minutes walk from the mansion we have Minoka! This is considered the landmark of Talat Noi, right? It has been around for a really long time. I don't know how long, but it's, you know, look at the way you can judge by the way it looks. It's very old. Alright, so let's take some photos.
Unforgettable, you took you free some more than I but things just get so busy, but nothing what to do. Never starts if it's so long, and I was going for you. Some days will leave me back to you. Come and let you go.
Beautiful, beautiful view, beautiful environment. Amazing music. Wow! Coffee with pandan for dinner. I know, coffee doesn't do anything to me. But coffee with pandan, I've never tried this combination.
อันนี้มันมีโคโคนัทด้วยนะ
And coconut. Wow.
เป็นไงปลาปะ
Sweet. So sweet.
Okay guys, and that's it for today guys. And please support us by hitting like and subscribe. And see you guys on next video. Bye!